4 people were killed and 47 others injured in an explosion on Thursday in Shenyang, China. 3 were seriously injured but are in stable condition, and 44 were slightly injured. The blast took place at around 8:20 a.m. Thursday at a restaurant on Taiyuanan Street. The injured have been sent for medical treatment and the cause of the accident is being investigated. The explosion caused power outages in some 15,000 households. The local power supply company has restored electricity for most of the households and is working to restore power for the remaining 1,400 households.